Fairbanks City News, Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the cold forecast. It could have been a lot colder today, but we had cloud cover today. But we were expecting the clouds to lift out tonight and allow all that cold air to move in. And like I said, temperatures could get down as low as 30 below, even colder in the low-lying areas. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Here's our photograph for tonight. This one's sent in by Ed Sanborn. We'll call this the missing lynx because there he is right there. Beautiful creature. Again, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. And speaking of photos, we have our Fab Photo calendar out at 13 different locations around town. You can pick it up like places like Big Daddy's Barbecue. They've got them there for you. Like I said, they're all free, and they all have photographs that folks you have sent in to share with us. Okay, what's going on at the airport right now? 17 below. The temperature is falling like a rock. After a high of 1 above today, the low last night 20 below. We'll eclipse that pretty easily. Record high 47 in 1949. What a warm day that was. In contrast, 36 below in 2011. Sunrise and sunset, 5 hours and 43 minutes of daylight. That is a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. And there an air quality advisory in effect today through noon tomorrow. Unhealthy for sensitive groups for Fairbanks and North Pole. Moderate level for folks with respiratory problems, seniors, and children. You should avoid outdoor exposure. Here's what's going on our satellite pictures. You can see we're looking at a lot of mid-level cloudiness for the most part, and the cold air is starting to drop down from the north. You can see it at the very end of the satellite picture there. Elsewhere across the state, here's what it looks like. And we're looking at some rain falling and mixed with snow over Juneau and Ketchikan. 14 degrees at Juneau. How about that? Up and down the west coast, things are clear. Cold temperatures moving in. Barrow looking at a little light snow, and cold at Fort Yukon, 18 degrees below zero. Lower 48 weather. Last night we were talking about rain over the Pacific Northwest. It's held off for a little bit, but there's more coming. More rain across the Central Plains and elsewhere. Sunny skies over the Northeast. On our satellite and radar, you can see a little bit of energy moving across the Gulf Coast states, but look at all the moisture coming in across the Pacific Ocean, all being fed by the jet stream coming in from the north and the northwest, helping to bring in colder temperatures and a very cold situation developing here for a possible winter storm over the western half of the country later on. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like. In the northern sections, snow showers for Barrow and Fort Yukon, mostly cloudy skies for Nome. Here in the interior, looking at decreasing clouds for Fairbanks, scattered snow showers for Healy, while over the southeastern sections, we'll look at partly cloudy skies for Juneau, but a chance of snow in Ketchikan. To the southwest, it looks like, for the most part, sunshine at Bethel, areas of snow for Cold Bay and Kodiak. Well, if you're heading on down to the Anchorage area, looking for partly cloudy skies for Homer, sunshine in Valdez and Anchorage. And our weather fact for tonight, for our Kids Weather Watch, in 1981, Minneapolis-St. Paul received more than a foot of snow in one day. Here's our forecast for tonight, and as you can see, we're looking at more weather facts for tomorrow. Our forecast for tonight, cold, 30 below, flurries diminishing, severe cold by morning. Tomorrow's forecast, 16 below zero, continue very frigid with partly cloudy skies. And the extended forecast, cold temperatures on Thursday, but then recovering for the weekend with overnight lows. Again, once again, dropping down to the teens below zero. Daytime highs, not too uncomfortable, what they should be around this time of year. Down to 5 below on Sunday and 0 on Monday.
Okay, time to plug in the cars, people.